Howdy folks, quick job today. We got a Princeton Reverb part 2. We're going to change the power transformer from 110 volt to 240 volt. Don't worry, for the purists, we'll be keeping the 110 volt transformer just in a box somewhere. But yeah, going to show you how to wire this up. It's pretty straightforward, but there are some pitfalls like the 110 volt system here. We're going to keep the death cap in there because it doesn't matter to us because everything goes to ground anyway, so we don't need to worry about this dangerous thing down here. Anyway, I'll start unsoldering stuff and you'll see what it looks like in a sec. Alright, so old transformer is out, new transformer is going to go in. Wires are pretty much the same with some little changes. We're not going to be wiring in the ground switch or the 110 volt output, so forget about that. And yeah, next thing you'll see, it'll be the new transformer wired in, ready to go, and we'll fire it up on the variac to make sure the secret smoke doesn't escape from all the components. Alright, your job's done folks, the new transformer's in, wired exactly the same as it was before. Tested it out on the oscilloscope, everything looks good. You've seen that in 100 videos before, you don't need to see it again. You'll get to hear a real guitarist play on the channel for once.
Perfect, dude.
Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.